Do you run a car rental business? Is it a challenge to manage your fleet, clients, rentals, commissions, employees, and cash flow? Do you find yourself juggling data across different platforms, missing deadlines, and drowning in paperwork? Workiom is the solution for you. Get easy-to-use software packages tailored exactly to your needs. Integrative and innovative solutions developed and approved by successful car rental businesses in Turkey. We're proud of what we've already achieved with our existing partners. Workiom offers you a set of applications to boost performance across all aspects of your business. Just like the reservation app, offering a single screen checkout and check-in, with all the necessary information available at the touch of a button on one convenient page. Or the Contract Manager for generating and printing customer and rental information automatically from a contract of your choice. Workiom will store and manage all your customer data, employees, and tasks in one accessible and secure digital space. But that's not all. Your success also depends on taking proper care of your fleet. And Workiom will help you streamline the endless, headache-inducing process of following up on your car maintenance, saving you maximum effort and time. Workiom keeps track of all vehicle dents, scratches, and other cosmetic imperfections, as well as monitoring accidents and repairs. It manages and generates automatic vehicle service and maintenance alerts to safeguard your vehicle's lifespan and your client's safety. It also automatically notifies you of any outstanding MOT appointments and taxes, so that you can pay with total ease of mind. To expand and reach new markets, Workiom also offers a simple and effective affiliate partnership program. Whether for calculating commissions, rating their services, or generating performance reports, Workiom will give you unlimited insights into your data. Sounds too good to be true, right? Come and check it out for yourself. Sign up now